Before breaking ground, we can refer to plans and scan the site for underground services. The experienced team measure the footprint of the building accurately, ensuring dimensions are square and correct. String lines and ground paint mark the screw locations and give us a final check that you are happy with the position and aspect. Pre-drilling the holes deals with any potential obstructions and ensures accuracy in positioning the ground screws. Ground screws are placed in the pre-drilled holes. A laser level is used to set the best height for your requirements. As the screws go into the ground, fine adjustments are made using a pipe level. In a matter of minutes, all the screws are driven into the ground to the same level. The clean, green and long-lasting foundations are lined up and level, ready for the timber frame and building to come.